Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to prepare vodka cocktails at home easy method. Start by chilling your glasses and gathering tools, a jigger, shaker, strainer, and fresh ingredients. Keep ice cold to avoid dilution and use clear measurements like 1, 5 Oz vodka and 0, 75 Oz citrus. Taste and adjust sweetness with syrup, not more spirit. Practice one recipe until it feels natural, then build a small recipe list for guests or quiet evenings. Let's walk through a few reliable recipes you can make any night at home. Start with the vodka martini for a clean, spirit-forward option, then try a Moscow Mule for fizzy, refreshing flavor. For something fruity and festive, mix a cosmopolitan with measured cranberry and lime. Keep a small bottle of triple sec and a can of ginger beer on hand to switch styles quickly without fuss or complex prep. Focus on technique to elevate simple ingredients into bar-quality drinks. Shake when you have citrus, egg whites, or sweet liqueurs. Stir when the recipe is mostly spirits to keep it silky. Use large ice for slow dilution and crushed ice when you want rapid chill. Double strain for a smooth mouthfeel and finish with expressive garnishes like expressed citrus oil or a sprig of mint for aroma and visual polish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.